Welcome to another simple to add iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add emoji to your photo on your iPhone. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to add an emoji to your photos like this, then let me show you how to do it. So first, you want to go back to your camera app, take a picture, now view that picture, and then tap on edit here at the bottom. Then you want to tap on this pen tool here at the top right. Now here you'll get this message where markup turns off live photo, so go ahead and press OK. Now you'll see all your markup tools at the bottom. Tap on the plus sign, then tap on text. Now here move the text up, and now here you're going to tap on the text and then tap on edit to edit the text. Delete whatever there is, open the emoji keyboard, select an emoji here. Now tap on done at the top right. Now since the emoji is really small, you want to make it large. So you want to tap on this markup tool again. Tap on the emoji. Now tap on this A at the bottom left. Then increase the size for this text. And once you do that, you'll increase the emoji size. And now once you're happy with that, tap done. And now once you've increased the size, select the emoji and move it anywhere you like. Then tap on done. And then done again. And now you have an emoji on your photo. So that is how to add emoji to your photo on your iPhone. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.